Oh, hi. You're
This is what I ate today.
You're in the vegan kitchen for This Is What I
I thought you were
Ate.
gonna say I'm in the punishment chair.
Well, that too. It's breakfast time. And, oh, surprise, surprise. You're having oatmeal.
Well, I'm diving right into breakfast today because I think I'm gonna take an off day from exercise today just because of timing and stuff. So yeah, I'm going right into my oatmeal today.
Oh, nice.
So I have some peanut butter in there, almond milk, and strawberries.
Straws. Wow. I haven't had toast in months for breakfast, I think. I think it's been a very long time since I've had toast. So I made a vegan, gluten-free, salt-free, oil-free, everything-free, free from everything bread yesterday. And I'm toasting it up in the toaster right now. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I've had some good reviews. If you want to see that video, go check it out. It's probably 2 videos before this one. And I'm having it toasted with this Wayfair dairy-free cheddar on it. And the thing that's so nice about this Wayfair dairy-free cheddar, not Spam, is that it is also nut-free. 40 calories a serving. Ooh, 12 servings per container. So that's 2 tablespoon serving. That's pretty nice. It's pretty generous. So it's free from gluten, dairy, cholesterol, soy, nuts, and palm oil. And it won't focus either. It's free from focusing. So the thing that I'm most interested in is the gluten-free and the nuts. So that ticks all my boxes. So that's what I'm having for breakfast.
Enjoy.
Thanks, and it's really tasty too, isn't it?
It's so tasty too.
Tastes just like cheddar. It's lunchtime, and I would be lying if I said that I didn't eat anything. Right after I put the camera down and finished my toast, the cheese was so good that I went back with a couple of tortilla chips. Guilty, but that's all I ate, really. Did you have any snacks?
No, I didn't.
Except for
I'm
that.
so hungry.
Except for that half a spring roll.
Well, I'm gonna talk about that.
Oh, okay. I also this morning had a cup of coffee. This is what's left of the tiny little pot of coffee because I usually use this tiny little hotel coffee pot. No, I didn't steal it from a hotel. I bought it at Sam's Club where hotels probably buy some of their supplies. But the thing that's making that so good, besides the fact that it's Lavazza freshly ground, is this Chobani oat extra plain, plain extra creamy. No lactose, no nuts, no gluten. I was unsure if I would like Chobani because I was like, they're late to the game, aren't they? Because they just came in our stores like 2 weeks ago. And I said, you know what? I'm going to try it, and I think I might even like it better than the Oatly.
Whoa!
I know, that's like vegan sacrilegious to say that, but this Chobani oat is really good, despite the freaking corny poem on the back of it.
Oh!
How corny was that poem? I read it for you this morning.
It was pretty corny. But maybe it was like in the Gilmore Girls when they have the seasonal poem in the newspaper.
But it's always the same one? So I didn't even get to lunch yet. Why don't we just show Sean's? His isn't really lunch because he had this for lunch. He took it to his program and they have a microwave. But he's having the dribs and drabs of the leftover vegan pizza and a little bit of salad. Yeah. He'll also be having some dribs and drabs of mock meat that we're going to be pulling out of the toaster in a minute.
Yeah.
So what do you got?
I have almost inhaled this spring roll that was left over from your birthday dinner the other day. I can't believe nobody else was eating these up because I'm obsessed with them. Yeah,
they're really good. I almost sacrificed my gluten-freeness to have one of those because it's been a while. And what else you got there?
Hold on.
Well, I'll talk about what I have. I have a giant romaine salad. Some of the Greek salad that we had, the Greek panzanella with polenta in it from the other night. Just a very little was left. I'm also having some of this ratatouille, which is AKA shakshuka. Never heard of it, but
It's
apparently
really
it's a
good.
thing. Thank you.
Really good.
Thank you. Some of my homemade ranch, which is, I just made it like 2 minutes ago because I said, I deserve this. I've been through a lot today. And I'm waiting for, now I did sacrifice my gluten-freeness for this today. There's 2 corn patties in there, the spicy one, and a couple of Gardein fish fillets. I think I'm just going to have like 2 fish fillets.
I'm going to have the one of the corn patties.
Maybe you should have 1.5.
No, just one.
Oh.
On this naughty chibani.
Chobani.
Wait, what am I saying? I got confused.
Ciabatta.
Ciabatta.
Somebody's a little giddy.
And it's so squishy.
I know.
And this slice of Violife.
Right.
It's actually the American.
But it tastes like cheddar.
It tastes just like cheddar, and it's so good.
It's delicious. Stop barking!
So I'm going to put a little bit of your homemade dressing on that. And I also have this Asian chopped salad that I got in like a salad kit.
Right.
Which comes with these like almond slivers.
AKA crack rocks.
And wontons, yeah.
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 So that's lunch.
And Sean's I'm gonna give him a corn patty probably, or a fish fillet with his too. Since his isn't really lunch, it's a major snack.
It's quite a snack.
It's good. It's a good one. Oh my! It's dinner time, and we are having this beautiful cornbread that I just whipped up from the deliciously Ella cookbook.
So good. My pants are really staticky.
I kind of screwed up with the cornbread because I didn't blend the corn like they said to do it. So that is like the base of the dish instead of like rice. And then I made my own chili. She had a recipe for chili, but I was like, no. This does not include cumin, and I think...
You said cumin?
Yeah. Yes, there's cumin in there as well. Soylent Green
well, you know what
is people.
About, is it Beyond or Impossible?
Impossible. That is has human in it.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, you like it? Because you just told me before, I don't like cornbread.
I couldn't remember if I didn't like cornbread or soda bread.
Oh.
I just mixed the
There's
two
a big
up
difference. Big difference.
Oh, I don't need a fork. I should
right.
use a spoon.
Because I don't like cornbread.
I'm
I'm not a fan of cornbread, but I like this.
Of it, but this is pretty good.
Yeah. It's nice.
Does it have polenta in it?
Yes. Well, you're really slapping it up there.
This is really embarrassing. But look at your nice dish.
Right? I made a nice one. And we have some beautiful fresh cilantro salsa there too.
Yeah. And hot sauce.
Yeah.
Nice.
I wish we had some vegan sour cream. The one that we have is like half used, and I don't think it I don't know if it's still viable or not. But this chili, I have to say, is 100p. It's 100p. So enjoy. I just tried a little bit of the chili and it was very nice. Excellent. Yeah, spice it up, girl. Yeah, let's watch Vanderpump.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Let's have a good time.
Raise your glasses high. This one's for you tonight.
That's right. Hello, hello.
Hello. I realized that I put my sweatshirt on inside out.
Oh yeah. I was just commenting how I couldn't believe you had a sweatshirt on over your sweater, but I didn't even realize it was inside out. That's really funny.
I'm still cold. I'm still cold.
Hi, cutie.
What'd you think of dinner?
It was delicious.
I would give that a 2 thumbs up.
I'm not even a cornbread person, but when I put the Frank's Red Hot on top of the cornbread.
You know what I got to say? F y'all.
Yeah, cornbread.
Big brother over the top.
Bowie. That was before your time, baby.
Yeah. So it's dessert. Also closing time.
Bowie, relax.
Stop it!
Relax.
He said, I would like one of these dog treats.
He wants popcorn. Well, Mom is having popcorn.
Yeah.
She's having the Skinny Pop. Ooh. I am having the final cupcake from Mom's birthday.
Those were so good.
I wish you would have it.
No, I'm making more for this weekend.
Oh. I was hoping we were going to take a break from desserts until my birthday.
Well, if we're going to an event, we're bringing...
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah. Okay. We got a family thing this weekend. Yeah. But this delicious, so I
highly recommend it.
Yeah, and we made a video about it, so if you guys are interested. It's me and my dad making cupcakes for my mom.
And I blew out the candle in the thumbnail.
Yeah, so that was a lot of fun if you guys want to check it out.
It was a lot of fun. I like family stuff. It's cool, right?
Yeah, love it.
Okay then, that's what we ate today. By no means what you should eat, just an example of what 2 vegans in this crazy world eat on one single day. So thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying Veganuary, and until next time, much love.